Hello my lovelies, welcome to my channel and my art studio. I am Mrs. B, your Catholic art teacher. Well, last week we drew this cute little lamb which I've coloured in, and hopefully you've done the same so that you can share with me. We drew this lamb by drawing these different lines. So today we are going to draw a cow. Yes, God created all these lovely animals. And so we're going to start off today by drawing some lines that's going to help you to draw this cow. So let's begin by just drawing a straight line across your drawing book. Just draw it straight across like that. And then we're going to draw a wavy line like that. That's right. Well done. Let's continue by drawing a lengthened or a wider curved line like this. This one will be a bit more. And then we're going to draw these short, quick lines going like this. It looks like a W with another U at the end. How are you doing? I hope you're doing well. Let's continue now. So we're going to draw this, which is a circle. That's right. And we're going to draw it smaller as well. So we're going to do 3 large circles like so, and 3 little circles like so, or dots if you please. And then we're going to draw some short lines like that, just very quickly. Just draw lines going up, down, and lines going across, and up, down, up, down. Well done. Now we're going to try a new type of line, and it's going to go like this. We'll do, it's like a, actually if you know about cursive writing, it actually looks like a cursive S, doesn't it? And then we're going to do it this way. So we're going to have it going back this way like that. All right. Now for this one, I want you to draw like the shape of an egg. So it's called an oval. So it's like narrow at the top and wide at the bottom. So you start from here. It looks almost like a circle, but it's called an oval, where the top is narrower than the bottom, like so. And we're going to draw 2 more lines, square, small little square shapes like that. Just go across the page. Squares. We may have to do it a little bit bigger for our cow. And lastly, we're going to zigzag across the page like that. I hope you can see me. Zigzag, 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 zigzag. All right, so let's get started, boys and girls. We're going to draw the cow. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw a curved line like that, and we're going to do a curved line to make it look like a elongated circle, if you please. And then we're going to do 2 circles in the center. That's the nose for the cow. Then we're going to draw this curved line like that, like an N, and we're going to do 2 small dots. You can even color it in while we're at it for the eyes. Then we're going to draw, remember that shape I said that looks like an S? We're going to put it right here, and we're going to do another one the other way around. And straight below that, we're going to draw that, almost like that egg shape that we were talking about. Okay? And then we're going, that's the ears. Then we're going to draw this curved line going around, and we're going to do the bottom part like that, the same thing, and we're going to stop here like that. And then we're going to add the lines going straight down like that for the front legs, and then at the back like that for the back legs. And then we're going to draw, do you remember when we did the 3 like a W? That's for the udder. That's called an udder. And then we draw the tail, curved line again, and we're going to draw that shape that we did here, like the horn shape, but we're going to add another curve going around like that. And on the end of the legs of the cow, we're going to draw its hooves like that. There we go. And then on the body, we're going to draw sort of like irregular shapes like that. So you can just go freely as you wish on the shape like that. And then we can draw, maybe coming out from its mouth, a grass, but we're going to draw like the oval shape at the end of the line, and it's standing on grass. So let's draw the grass, zigzag, zigzag, zigzags. We're going to draw zigzag, 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 and zigzag, 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 zigzag. Okay, you can draw the occasion grass going like this with our oval shapes to show the type of grass. You can get grass that have leaves looking like that. Okay, and then you can just draw grass going like that. That's fine. And there we have our cow. So don't forget, you can pause the video at any time for you to draw your cow and then color it in and share with me. So that's it for now. I can't wait to see your cow. Bye.